Yes, good morning. Sound చేయడు. Yes, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Good morning, dear students. Yes, yesterday we have seen 11 problems in R.S. Agarwal in trigonometric identities. Today I will continue with that. So once again, just I want to recap about the important points that I told you, that whenever we see expressions like this, we need to assume that they are in the form of a square minus b square. We need to assume they are in the form of a square minus b square, and we can express them in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is very important point in solving the problems in trigonometric identities. Okay na? So not only this, sin a by cos a is tan a, cosecant a by secant a is also tan a, cot a, secant a by cosecant a is tan a, reciprocal of tan a is cot a, and reciprocal of sin a is cosecant a, and all those. Sin a into cos a, sin a into cosecant a is 1, secant a into cos a 1, tan a into cot a 1. All these you need to remember. See, trigonometric identity, why it is, that means the students will feel it is tough, means content 1 means topic 1, that is trigonometric ratio, topic 2, that is trigonometric ratio on some specific angles, trigonometric ratios conversions, means converting one ratio in terms of other. That is also we need to apply in problem solving in trigonometric identities. Okay na? Okay, I think everyone joined today. Those who are not joined, it is up to them, because this year I want to complete R.S. Agarwal also for outgoing batch. Means I feel that every year that I am not doing with R.S. Agarwal, every year I am not helping the students in R.S. Agarwal, learning R.S. Agarwal, because R.S. Agarwal is very important, very important, because you can know different type of questioning in problem solving if you learn R.S. Agarwal. So every year I am having that what we call it as low 2. So this year I want to finish, or I want to make the students to learn R.S. Agarwal also along with the NCERT textbook. So దానికోసం ఏం చేయాలని ఆలోచిస్తే I got this idea that every 2 days, in a week, at least 2 days, if I teach problems in R.S. Agarwal, then it will be nice. So that is why I started this program. Not only this R.S. Agarwal, I want to, whenever there is an exam time, I want to discuss with the question paper pattern, how to write the questions, what are the steps to write, what are the reasons to write, in what way to write the exam, everything I want to discuss with the students whenever there is an exam. Okay, na? Even in the board exam. Last year we have a with other last year students I have a recap like sessions in the exam, board exam time. So that helps the students a lot. So this year also I will continue with the same, but this year is I am teaching RS Agarwal for all the students in the class. I told them to join in these 2 days also, and I send a message to the parents also, and it is not happening. I want every student to join the class, but it is not happening. Why? The students are, and the students as well as the parents are not taking it seriously. I don't know. Now I am starting with the next question. That is question number 12. 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A equal to sin A tan A minus cot A cos A. This is the question. 1 plus cot A plus tan A into 1 sin A minus cos A equal to sin A tan A minus cot A cos A. Okay, just normal idea, simple idea. Just we need to multiply these two expressions first. Trinomial into binomial. Trinomial into binomial. So 1 into sin A minus cos A plus cot A into sin A. Cot A into sin A. Cot A is cos A by sin A into sin A. Sin A get cancelled. Cos A remaining. Plus cot A into minus A. Cot A into cos A. Cos square A by sin A. Cos square A by sin A. Next with tan A. Tan A into sin A. Sin square A by cos A. And tan A minus tan A into cos A sin A. Okay children. Now what will happens? Minus sin A plus sin A get cancelled. Minus cos A plus cos A get cancelled. What is remaining? Sin square A by cos A minus cos square A by sin A. This is remaining. Okay na? Now, if we take LCM, cos A into sin A, here you will get sin cube A minus cos cube A. Sin cube A minus cos cube A. We can write it as sin A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A into sin square A plus cos square A minus sin A cos A. Okay na? So by denominator. So what is remaining here? Sin A plus cos A into 1 minus sin A cos A by denominator sin A cos A. Okay na? Otherwise, if you see the answer, I think this is not necessary. Sorry, this is not necessary. If you see the answer, see. Just we need to, sorry, the last two steps are not necessary because I didn't come to the answer. See the answer. Separate this sin cube A by cos A sin A. Okay. Minus cos cube A by cos A sin A. Now see here, sin cube A, one sin A get cancelled, you are remaining with the sin square A by cos A. So sin square A by cos A we can write it as sin A by cos A into sin A. Understand children? Sin cube A by cos A sin A, one sin A get cancelled. What is remaining? Sin square A by cos A. So that sin square A by cos A, how I write? Sin A by cos A into sin A. And here also, one cos A get cancelled. Remaining is cos square A by sin A. I will write that one as cos A by sin A into cos A. Cos A by sin A into cos A. Now, sin A by cos A is tan A into sin A minus cot A into cos A. Cos A by sin A is cot A by into cos A. So understand, I didn't see the answer before, so that's why I wrote two more steps, but they are not necessary. See here, first we need to multiply trinomial into binomial, then simplification we got this, then LCM. After taking LCM, sin cube A by this minus cos cube A by this, and simplify, you will get the answer. Understand children? Now, the next question. Next question. Next question is yes. Yeah, secant theta plus tan theta by secant theta plus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. Any guesses? How can we do this? Any idea from your side? How to do this? Secant theta plus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. Any idea from you? Can you hear me clearly? Turn quality to 750 megapixel. Okay, how can I do that? So next time onwards I will do that. No problem. Now it is blur. Is it not clear? Is it not clear? Okay. Now, thank you. So any idea? This is easy problem. Just multiply the numerator and denominator with secant theta plus tan theta. Multiply the numerator and denominator with secant theta plus tan theta. So if you see, the numerator is in the form of, can anyone say? Numerator is in the form of, any idea? Numerator is look like a plus b into a minus b. Yeah, not a minus b. A plus b into a plus b. Is that right? A plus b into a plus b. So a plus b whole square. Good. A plus b whole square. Secant theta plus tan theta whole square. And denominator secant square theta minus tan square theta. Denominator secant square theta minus tan square theta. So I think denominator everyone knows it. Is that right? Denominator is secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. Okay. Now numerator is secant theta plus tan theta whole square. So by 1 and the remaining secant theta plus tan theta whole square. But answer is given like this: 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. Now I got this one. I am saying this, the answer is done. Only one step is needed. Can anyone say what is that step? For answer only one step is needed. Can anyone say? What is that step? Only one step is needed. No idea? See the answer and what we got. Both. Secant is 1 by cos. No. Ah, yes, good. Right, secant as 1 by cos A. Right, good. Very good. Charmi and Ajista. Not Charmi, Namrata I think. 1 by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. Good. ఎవరికి ఐడియా వచ్చినా వెరీ గుడ్. ఈ ఐడియా ఎవరికి వచ్చినా వాళ్ళందరూ వెరీ గుడ్. Now, after this what we have to do? We have to take LCM. Remaining is 1 plus sin theta whole square. 1 plus sin theta whole square. So we got the answer. Understand, children? We got the answer. Very good. So answer చెప్పారు ఎవరు చెప్పారు? నమ్రత, అజిస్తా, మెనీ మోర్. ఓకే. సో వీళ్ళందరికీ ఒకసారి ఒక లైక్ వేసుకోండి. Say it very good. They told the answer. See, they told the idea actually to get the answer. Answer రావడానికి ఐడియా చెప్పారు. Good. Next question. Yes. Secant square theta minus in the numerator sin square theta minus 2 sin power 4 theta, sin square theta minus 2 sin power 4 theta, and in the denominator 2 cos power 4 theta minus cos square theta. We need to prove it is 1. We need to prove it is 1. Very easy problem. Any idea? This problem is related to one of the problems in the NCERT textbook. This is related to one of the problems in NCERT textbook. Yesterday I told you in the class. Is any 10th B student are there? 10th B students are there? I asked them also to join to learn this, but I don't know whether they are here or not. Yeah. Take cos square common. Where? From where? From where I have to take common? You are saying denominator cos square common. What about numerator? Good. Very good. But you can take sin square theta common in the numerator. Remaining is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And denominator you can take cos square theta common. Remaining is 2 cos square theta minus 1. The problem from here to here, it is in NCERT textbook. It is in NCERT book, but not in power force cube. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Screen is not clear. Is the problem visible? Is it okay now? Change it to 720p. How to do it? Okay. Now secant square theta minus 1. No, sorry. Secant square theta minus this is sin square theta. You write in this play 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta by cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus this 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So secant square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, which is sin square theta minus sin square theta. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is minus sin square theta by cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now, if you see here, 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, it becomes cos square theta. Okay. Now, these two get cancelled. Secant square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta tan square theta, which is 1. Which is 1. Understand, children? Did you understand? Okay, good. Next one. Next one. Yes, sin A by sin A by secant A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. We need to prove the result is 1. We need to prove the result is 1. Sin A by secant A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1. And we need to prove that the result is 1. So how to do this? By taking LCM only one way. Taking LCM, simplify. Okay. So the LCM is very big one. Secant A plus tan A minus 1 into cos A, cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. And now we need to multiply these two. Just both is not sufficient. Or I write it sin A into cosecant A plus cot A minus 1 plus cos A into secant A plus tan A minus 1. Now, We need to multiply monomial into trinomial, and here trinomial into trinomial. We need to multiply them. Can anyone do it and say with the numerator and somebody denominator? Multiply. Some people numerator and some people denominator, and say me. Numerator. Sin A into cosecant A, 1 plus sin A into cot A, cot A ante cos A by sin A. Sin A get cancelled, you get plus cos A minus sin A plus cos A into secant A, 1 cos A into tan A, cos A minus cos A. Cos A into secant A, 1, sorry, sin A. Cos A into secant A, 1, cos A into tan A, sin A, cos A into minus 1 minus cos A. By denominator 3 into 3, 9 steps వస్తాయి, 9 points, 3 into 3, right? Secant A into cosecant A, secant A into cot A, secant A into cot A. Secant A is 1 by cos A, cot A cos A by sin A. So you will get cosecant A. And secant A into minus 1 minus secant A. So now with the tan A, with secant A multiplication is done. Now with the tan A into cosecant A. Tan A means sin A by cos A. Cosecant A 1 by sin A. These two get cancelled, then we will be left with 1 by cos A, that is secant A plus secant A. Now tan A into cot A, 1, and tan A into minus 1 minus tan A. Now with secant A into cosecant A, secant A into cot A, secant A into minus secant A, tan A into cosecant A, tan A into cot A, tan A in minus 1. Now with 1 minus cosecant A minus cot A plus 1. So here plus cos A minus cos A cancel. This is cancelled. Numerator will be left with 2. Denominator minus plus cosecant A minus cosecant A. We cancel. And we left with 1 plus 1, 2 plus secant A cosecant A minus tan A minus cot A. Minus tan A minus cot A. Now, what we have to do? Two by little bit big problem. 2 plus this is 1 by cos A sin A minus sin A by cos A minus cos A by sin A. Now we need to take LCM. Is that numerator declared? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right. So everything is right. Okay, na? Now, up to here, you can take screenshot now, up to here, because I am going to some part of the problem. Yes. I will take out this one. So what is remaining? This one also I will take out the question. Answer 1 we need to prove. Na? Okay. So what is remaining? 2 by 2 plus 1 by sin A cos A minus sin A by cos A minus cos A by sin A. Now, 2 by 2 plus, if I take LCM over here, sin A cos A, what will you get? 1 minus sin square A minus cos square A. Okay, na? So 2 by 2 plus 1 minus, if I take here I get sin square A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. So these two get cancelled. 0 by 0 here, 0. 0 by something is 0. So 2 by 2 plus 0, 2 by 2, 1. Okay, na? Little bit per big problem. We need to simplify it. There we need to take common, minus 1 common, let it be, then it be sin square A plus cos square A. So 1 minus of sin square A plus cos square A, it is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by anything is 0. So 2 by 2 plus 0, which is 2 by 2, 1. Okay, na? This problem is having little bit simplification more. Okay, this is a just you need to have some patience for simplification. Okay, so nothing rocket science is here. The Gopaga is just multiplication, like algebraic multiplication and simplification. But you should know the relation between the ratios, which reciprocals and all those. Reciprocals, sin A by cos A tan A, cos A by sin A cot A, 1 by sin A is cosecant A, 1 by cos A is secant A, and their relations. Tan A into cot A1, cosecant A into secant, cosecant A into sin A1, secant A into cos A1. So if you know that one and if you are very good at simplifications, this problem is done. Okay. Next. Next question. Tan A plus sin A, tan A plus sin A by tan A minus sin A is equal to secant A plus 1 by secant A minus 1. See, the problem is in sin A tan A and the result is in secant A, numerator secant A plus 1, denominator secant A minus 1. Okay, how to do this? Any idea? Any idea? Just I want you to participate in the problem solving. Any idea from your side, children? How to start? How to start? Boddebal is there, Sanvi, Akanksha. So tan A, sin A by cos A, very good. Divya Darshan, good. Rationalizer. See, I didn't tell you that tan A, sin A. Did I told you they are irrational numbers? They are ratios. They may be rational or they may be irrational also. So you cannot say it as rationalization. In my view, I don't know what the other says. In my view, I cannot say it as a rationalization. Yes, somebody told me that write tan A as sin A by cos A. Will do that. Sin A by cos A plus sin A by sin A by cos A minus sin A. Now after that, take LCM, cos A LCM in the numerator, sin A plus sin A cos A. Is that right? Taking LCM on the numerator, cos A LCM. So numerator becomes sin A plus sin A cos A by denominator LCM cos A. So what is remaining here? Sin A minus sin A cos A. Now cos A get cancelled. We will be remaining with sin A plus sin A cos A by sin A minus sin A cos A. We reach here. So after this, what to do? See the answer. See the problem what we got, what we are there, where we are, where we are. Who said this? Who said this? Sanvi and Namrata. Is that right? Sanvi and Namrata. Can I take sin A common? Nikhil. విడగొట్టండి. విడగొట్టాలా? sin A into cos A 1. Who told this? Divya sin A into cos A 1. Chaitra. Yes sir. Sin A into cos A 1. Sin A into cosecant A 1. Okay. So can you hear me clearly? Okay. No sir. I'm not. Sanvi, can you hear me? Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Just what I will do is, I will take sin A common in the numerator, remaining is 1 plus cos A. And denominator also sin A common, remaining is 1 minus cos A. So sin A get cancelled and I will be remaining with 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందా నాకు? ఇంకేమైనా రావాలా? I am taking sin A common on the numerator and the denominator and I will left with very good. Very good. Very good. Write cos A as 1 by secant A. Cos A as 1 by secant A because we have answer in secants and we got in cos. Right, do that children, do that. 1 plus 1 by secant A by 1 minus 1 by secant A. So take LCM and simplify, you will get secant A plus 1 by secant A by secant A minus 1 by secant A. Secant A get cancelled. Remaining is secant A minus 1 by plus 1 by secant A minus 1. We got the answer. Remaining is secant A plus 1 by secant A minus 1. Secant A get cancelled. Is that right, children? Okay? Yes, good. Very good. If you take the screenshot, I'll rub the board. I'll erase the board. Okay, good. Next question. Next question same, right? I think you will do it. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A equal to cosecant A minus 1 by cosecant A plus 1. This is same. 17th question is same as the above. I think you will do it. మీరు చేయగలరు అనుకుంటున్నా. చేయగలరా చెప్పాలా? Yes, change cot A as cos A by sin A and take LCM, simplify. I think you can do it. I feel it is not necessary. Is that right? Same as above. Okay. Can I go ahead with another question? Good. Now I am taking out this question because it is same as the above. Now question number 18. 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to secant theta minus tan theta whole square. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఇంత ముందు చేసాం మనం. We did question like this already. Okay, any idea from your side? Any idea? See the given and see the answer. Okay. What I do? Children, remember the answer. Secant theta minus tan theta whole square. I am rubbing this one. So, what I do is I multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. With 1 minus sin theta. Numerator and denominator with 1 minus sin theta. So, numerator becomes 1 minus sin theta whole square and denominator becomes 1 minus sin square theta, a square minus b square. Now, after this, is this right? Is this right? నేను అంటాను ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయింది అంటున్నా. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది నాకు అంటున్నా. మీలో ఎంతమంది నాకు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారు నాతో? నేను ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయిందిరా, క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయింది అంటున్నా నేను. హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ సే ఎస్ విత్ మీ? గుడ్. Very good, Sandy. So, can I write this as this as this one as this, both are same. If I say, what you will say? Are they both same? Yes. Because if we know a square by b square, we can write it as a by b whole square. Is that right, children? If a square by b square can be written as a by b whole square. In the same way, 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta, I can write it as 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. And this one split. 1 by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta whole square. 1 by cos theta is secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta as a tan theta. Okay? Very simple ra. Trigonometric identities chala easy. Mere anusaranga bhayapadtu untaru. It is damn easy. Just you need to know all the formulas, that's all. Okay na? So I can close this question. Very good. See, next question, is it necessary to say? See the next question, children. You can do it, I think. Next question. What is that? 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. This one. Is it necessary to say? Or you can do it? What do you say? We can do. Yes. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos theta. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, sorry. 1 plus cos theta. Then the problem done. Very good. So I can go ahead with the next one. What is the next? What is the next one? Next one is here it goes. Secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta plus tan theta is equal to, answer is very big, 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta. 2 secant theta tan theta. Answer chantadantundi. Question emo buddidi. Question emo chinna question. Like Neha Devi in the class. Chinnadi. And answer is Ishan in the class. Or Aparajita, small chinnamai. And answer is Ishan. And that fellow Korlan Manoj. Okay, na? So any idea? Or Ranganath sir? Question is myself and answer is like Ranganath sir. He is taller than me, na? Right. Any idea from your side? Any idea? Multiply numerator and denominator with secant a minus tan a, na? Evadu? Akanksha Bangartalli. Very good. Okay. Akanksha told me that multiply the numerator and denominator with secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now, numerator is, how can we write numerator? Numerator ela raichu? It is in the form of Charmi. Numerator is like Charmi. Are you there or sleeping? Charmi. Who is Charmi? Yes. Secant minus tan whole square. Theta పెట్టట్లేదు నమ్రత. దెబ్బలు పడతాయి. Theta పెట్టట్లేదు నువ్వు, నీకు దెబ్బలే. By a plus b, a minus b. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Now, so it is not possible in laptop. Laptop lo insert lo kellu, insert lo symbols lo kellu. Okay, good. Anyhow, you are trying. I like it. You are trying. Very good. Now this is 1. This is gone. 1. Yes. And we are remaining with secant theta minus tan theta whole square. But answer is Ranganath sir. Answer is Ranganath sir. But we got Chiranjeevi sir. How? Expand. Very good. Expand. A minus b whole square. Secant square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta. Yes. Expanded. Expanded madam. After that cos theta sin theta na. ఎవరా బ్రిటన్ గ్రామర్స్ సరిగ్గా చూడరా, ఆన్సర్ చూడరా నాయనా, ఆన్సర్ చూడరా. ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి? 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta. This is the answer. What is your name, ra? Write your name, ra. Why beaten grammar and all those? Flying saucer, beaten grammar. చక్కగా పేరు రాయరా, తల్లిదండ్రులు చక్కగా పేరు పెట్టారు కదా. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేశాను హ్యూనిషా. ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ సీ ద ఆన్సర్ అండ్ టెల్ యువర్ ఐడియా హ్యూనిషా. కుర్రాళ్ళు వెర్రెక్కి ఉన్నోళ్ళు. ఎస్, secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Who told this? Secant square a, secant square theta. One girl is asking me to write secant square theta as 1 plus tan square theta. I wrote it and answer done. And answer done. Answer done. Tridalam triguణాకారం త్రినేత్రం చ త్రియయుధం త్రిజన్మ పాప సంహారం ఏకబిల్వం శివార్పణం. ఆన్సర్ డన్. So can I go to next problem, children? Why? Secant square minus 2 secant square. Why ra? Answer. See the answer, Mr. Ajista. See the answer and we got the answer, Mr. Ajista. Okay, na? Okay, I am going to the next problem. ఓహో లైల ఓ చారు శీల కోపమేల మనకేలా గోల మందార మాల మా పటేల. Yes. Next question. 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus secant theta is equal to secant theta. Any ideas from 10A or 10B or even the public who are watching? Any idea? I don't have any idea on this question, children. Can you give me some idea? Yes, sir. Rajista, can you tell? Okay. Tell Rajista what to do. Mr. Rajista boy. Rajista మన ఇద్దరం సాంగ్ కంపోజ్ చేసుకుందాం రా ఇద్దరం. ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్సా? ఎలాగా ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్స్ అంటే ఎల్సిఎమ్మా? LCM, I'm getting this one very more. LCM, HCF, LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. ఒరే అజిస్టా రేపు కాదు మనం ఎప్పుడన్నా మంచి రోజు చూసుకుని ఇద్దరం సిట్టింగ్ వేసుకుని ఒక మంచి సాంగ్ కంపోజ్ చేసి స్కూల్లో వాళ్ళందరినీ ఇబ్బంది పెట్టేద్దాం రా. విల్ డూ దట్, ఓకే? Akanksha is saying tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus abba. Madam Akanksha is telling me that write tan square theta as secant square theta minus 1. ఎందుకంటే చిల్డ్రన్ నేను ముందే చెప్పాను, ఆన్సర్ చూడండి, see the answer, then try to find out the idea. You are not doing that. ఆన్సర్ చూడండి తల్లి అని చెప్తున్నాను ఇందాక నుంచి, ఎవ్వడు చూడట్లేదు, ఆన్సర్ చూడట్లేదు. సో టాన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటాని సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా మైనస్ 1 రాయమని రాశాం. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ I told you in the beginning that write secant square theta minus 1 as secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1 by 1 plus secant theta. So 1 plus secant theta plus 1 get cancelled, remaining is 1 plus secant theta minus 1. 1 minus 1 get cancelled, answer is secant theta. కుర్రాళ్ళు వెర్రెక్కి ఉన్నోళ్ళు, కళ్ళాడే లేనోళ్ళు, కవ్వించే సూగాళ్ళు, ఆటగాళ్ళు పాటగాళ్ళు అందమైన వేటగాళ్ళు, లెక్కలన్నీ చేసేవాళ్ళు. ఎరా లెక్కలు వచ్చేసినాయా? ఎక్సలెంట్. కెన్ ఐ గో హెడ్ విత్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం? Mr. Ishan Abraham or Ishan Paida? Who is that guy? Abraham or Paida? Ishan Abraham. No, Ishan Paida. Okay, next question. So this is the last question for today. Cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2. Any idea? Children, any idea? Idea from your side. Is it Ishan Paida? This is the question. And idea from your side? A cube plus B cube. Enna eppadana? A cube plus B cube. Can you recall that formula? 9th standard polynomials formula. A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B cube. A cube plus B cube. A cube minus B cube. A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. And this one A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So A cube plus B cube we need to expand like that, and A cube minus B cube we need to expand like that. See, now sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos square theta minus cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Only I am simplifying this one first because both is not sufficient. I am simplifying only this first. So here what happens? These two get cancelled. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 minus cos theta sin theta. So this is the result for this one. I will write here 1 plus cos theta sin theta. I will write here. This is the result for this one. Okay children. The problem is here cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta. The numerator is in the form of a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. These two get cancelled. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 minus cos theta sin theta. Okay, now the second part of the question. A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square by cos theta minus sin theta. These two get cancelled, and we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So the result for this is this one. Okay na? Now what to do? We need to add both the results. We need to add both the results. I think we got the answer. So the result for the first one is 1 minus cos theta sin theta plus second one. Now open the brackets. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cancel. 1 plus 1, which is 2. So children, 22 questions are done. Okay. And you are very good in responding. All the students are responding very well. And I feel that my session is successful. And I try to make you learn everything from R.S. Agrawal. Okay? So if you like this session, kindly like it and don't forget, join with me next Saturday. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadipati. Thank you very much, students. You can leave now. With this, Keyurani na bhushayanti purusham harana chandrojvala na snanam na vilepanam na kusumam nalankruta murtaja vanyeka samalankaroti purusham ya samskruta dharyate. Okay, children, very good, everyone, very good. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you. See you again in the next Saturday. Bye bye. Thank you very much.